7,000 science based. Arts or Kiman? So nearly 30% is social science. If you look at it very critically, SCOPUS is dominated by sciences. Even here we don't psychology, economics, business, arts and humanities. There are very few. Get it? So the journal sector is dominated by science. এই কারণে যে কয় কি সায়েন্সৰ মানুহবিলাকে যে বাহাদুৰি কৰি থাকে কি আর স্কোপাস আছে হেৰি আছে আসলে জার্নালসও বেশি আছে science people always, especially Guwahati University. Guwahati University has this strange habit of science people telling the arts people that you don't write anything. But there are so many ways in which science people publish. They have got more journals. And it's collaboration. Dosta mano eta article likhe. Hami to single eta likhe bole.
Also science things are results of projects.
Result projects.
Yeah. Because of this project.
So there is a. I am from arts background and I know that science people look down on arts people that these people don't work, these people can't write. It's not that way. It's very difficult to write. And arts, you have to be very lucky to get yourself to get a good article published also. Luck lage re. Eitu nohoy ki khali talent lage ba hard work lage. Luck lage. I think luck plays a major role, especially jeta peer review hoya. You don't know who is going to peer review it. Suppose his ideological tone is very different. Suppose he does not like what you have written. Then there's a problem. You might not have factual mistake, grammar mistakes, but that person who is reviewing your paper, he might not like your tone of it. So what do you do?
Sir, in case of subject or disciplines which belong to the both stream, like geography, anthropology, economics, multidisciplinary, that people of that background have so many opportunities to publish there because they have the science.
Something like geography, science and arts,
anthropology also,
economics also.
So
the problem starts for something like a history or something like a political science, and then there's a problem. Again, North America is the richest. North America, West Europe. These are the real areas where actual production is taking place, especially in SCOPUS kind of publications. Again, the state funding is also done in that manner. Princeton University, MIT, Oxford, Cambridge, they are top universities in the world. Obviously, they invest so much of money on science and tech. So journals are definitely, they are going to produce more things. Okay. India spends roughly 3%, less than 3% of its GDP on education. Something like South Korea spends roughly 6% on education. So you can really imagine the difference. So how does a SCOPUS journal get included? How do you include a journal in SCOPUS journal? Editorial policy. Every SCOPUS journal will have an editorial policy. It is ad hoc no point. They have a clear-cut editorial kind of policy. They will say aims and public aims and scope ki hoga. Journal standing, metrics. Where does the journal stand? Regularity of publication. This is very important. How regular is a publication? Is it twice a year? Is it 4 times a year? Is it thrice a year? Is it 6 times a year? Or is it 12 times a year? So regularity of publication. The problem with Indian journals is that it's not regular. आज ही 2022 produce करेगा 23 होना 24 produce करेगा. The problem with most Indian journals is that it is not regular. Therefore, Indian journals lack credibility. Of course, 1, 2, 3 journals are there. It's a very limited number. But basing that, again, it must be available online. Quality of the journal, English language. Now, this is very interesting. When you go to any website, first thing they will do is tell you to open up a ORCID account. You will have to open a SCOPUS account. SCOPUS is for journal. ORCID is for submission. Okay. You go to www.orcid.com. You will have to enter. They will give you a certain kind of ORCID kind of they will give you a certain kind of ORCID account. When you go into submission of any article in any good journal, ORCID submit korbo lage. ORCID will contain your name, it will contain your qualifications, it will contain your basically data, and the moment you put in your ORCID account, you have to go through the ORCID account and then go into say Taylor Francis. Automatically plagiarism check ho jaye. Okay. So ORCID account is very important, and the moment you article at a published point, it reflects automatically in your ORCID account. Okay. Suppose there is one person who is Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar is a very good common name, and the moment you put in SCOPUS is that Deepak Kumar will rakha. How do you know which one is which Deepak Kumar? This is a very common name. The moment you say Deepak Kumar, there will be around minimum, I think, who does Deepak Kumar? 22 years first. 92. So the question is, somebody to claim karo moi he to Deepak Kumar. Somebody to claim more in SCOPUS se Cooper bola. He to kind of ORCID like. ORCID gives you that unique identity number. It's like an Aadhaar card. But one Deepak, one Aadhaar. It's simple. ORCID means one Deepak, one is like a unique identity card. And it's like a iCard for teachers. Okay. So you can't say ki মোৰ নামৰ আগেষ্ট ইমানকেইটা স্কোপ আছে কৈও দীপক কুমাৰ বুলি ক'লে আৰু তাৰ নামৰ আগেষ্টত হ'ব পাৰে 500টা দীপক কুমাৰ আছে বা কিন্তু এই ORCID account will show you the who's what কোনটো দীপক কুমাৰ কোনটো ওকে when you go to the SCOPUS website, author search. Author search is for the person. Sources. Sources is books, journals. Okay. अपना क्या निजर मोबाइल पे प्लीज सारो कंपाइल करो. I think you should. जगह पे कोई साइड के जाओ. think all of you should open your mobiles. Just see it. You create an account, sign in. Okay. What does it has a comprehensive Scopus? It has a Scopus source list, book list, Scopus discontinued source list. Why have they discontinued? It's because primarily they are fake. Okay. Here, for example, now when you do author search, so the easiest way, for example, in college recruitments in Assam, I am sure all of you are knowing that Ahomot mane eta provision as Scopus of and marks in the recruitment system. No. Scopus of and marks thake recruitment. So, bahute koi ki moi Scopus of likhis. How do you know which is genuine? How do you know which is genuine? You are going to claim for more Scopus of the easiest way of genuineness is going through the author search. Not the journal search, but author search. It will main website, author search. This will give you the best way of knowing whether your name or against what Scopus journal published question and answer. For example, if I type my name, SHUBHRAJEET,